Slime, also known as the ooey gooey goodness, soft, sticky and stretchy. Kids like this because of its pleasurable sensory experience it brings. Hello everyone, my name is Jumai.
And I am Mela of Refinery. Today we're going to show you how to make slime at home.
Don't forget you need an adult to supervise this experiment. Also, in order to see more videos of our kids' activities on this channel,
please subscribe to our channel
and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss our videos every week. To make slime at home, we need glue, borax powder, a cup or a beaker, and a mixing bowl. Slime is made by combining white school glue, also known as PVA or polyvinyl acetate, with borax powder and activator. Borax powder is also known as sodium tetraborate and is mixed with water to form borax solution. In making slime, you can add coloring to give it a color, you can add glitter to make it shine, and you can also add beads, glow powder and other ornaments. So now let's get started with our experiment. We'll mix 1 part of glue to 2 parts of water. So we're going to get 1 part of glue here. With 2 parts of water. So this is 1 part. This is almost another part. So next we'll stir our glue together. So mix components. Okay, so we'll take this aside and then I'll bring my beaker here. So next we're going to take one tablespoon of borax powder into a beaker. Next, we'll add a cup of water and stir together. In the mixing bowl, add few drops of coloring and mix together. Next, add 1 tablespoon of borax solution into the mixture. Mix until the slime forms. And if need be, you can add 1 more tablespoon and mix thoroughly. Now the slime has formed. Mix and mix and mix and mix and mix and mix. Put your hands and work low. Okay, so squish it. Yeah, squish. Knead together until the slime hardens. Yay, the slime is ready and is stretchy. Slime is soft and can take the shape of any container it is put into. Slime flows like a liquid, but unlike liquids like oil and water, its ability to flow is not constant. And because of this, it's called a non-Newtonian fluid. Let's put your hands. 1, 2, go. Look how it's going. Wow. Did you enjoy how we made this slime? What do you like about slime?
I like that it's soft and squishy.
Oh, it's It's soft and squishy.
And it's very soft.
It's very soft. It's squishy.
And you can use it to press your hands inside.
Yeah, you need to make a mold with your hands. It's called making a
And you
mold.
can stretch it.
You can stretch it.
When stretching now.
You can stretch your slime. See how my slime is stretching.
Friends, did you enjoy how we made slime today? I like slime because it's soft, it's stretchy, it's bouncy. Hope you like this video and subscribe to our channel on Refinery. Bye!